yeah. Piece of cake, I'm smoking wedding cake, yeah. Piece of cake, I'm smoking.
They really need gloves, bro.
Yo, bro. Yo, bro.
You taking out the engine and some shit, bro?
You don't know what I'm gonna do after, bro. I don't know what I'm gonna do after. Yo, bro, none of these, bro.
Huh?
Yo, everything is coming out hand tight, bro. What the fuck?
Did you put them in or did Dave put them in?
I think it was me and Dave. Alright, well, whoever sits passing behind me. That's all. I think the rear is in. Oh my god! Nah, something's not right.
Maybe those are not the right bolts.
They're definitely not. So what, does this mean it's stripped in there?
Hopefully not.
Most likely not.
We're back in the bare metal, get all the dust out, and then we're gonna throw in this carpet he got, because this car didn't come with carpet, so we just got carpet the other day, like $30 or something like that. I gotta take off the shift now.
Oh shit, I faked it to do that.
Nope. Come over here. See how big it needs to be.
Oh, so then maybe I should use it. Think so?
Yeah.
All right, let me even this corner.
Good. But this shit is clean, bro. It looks way different with the carpet in. Mm-hmm. Like, it looks more complete. Taking the seats out and doing what?
Nah, just leaving the back because you can say that like people like that. It's not like this bottom part here. They instead of like painting it, they actually something wrapped it. It's that's not paint. That's like
Rhino wrap to underline it.
Yeah. And they said that shit just looks cleaner. So I was thinking about just taking these because they don't even fit for this. And I was just gonna look for some, and that would just delete more weight.
Delete more weight, bro. This is your daily driver, not a race car, bro.
Not a race car, but you feel me? Niggas be ODing on me on the road, bro. I can't front. But I think it's the leak, though. I'm not gonna front. I think the leak is like.
It is the leak, bro. Cause of the leak.
But why am I not throwing a check engine? That's my question.
Maybe you got that shit coated out or something. I don't know. You got LEDs too.
Oh no, those are for the Audi. Those are red ones. But I'm not putting those in.
Why not?
I was trying to put them in here. I was trying to put one in here.
Not the same size bulb.
It's not the same size.
Or is it just simple plug and play?
Yeah. Oh shit. Screws. Fucking dead.
Yeah. 100 hoes at the hotel. I gotta win, I can't fail.
What you mean, come on, bro?
Stop putting me in your films, bro.
What do you mean? Why can't I put you in the films, bro? You got a cool car. I need to record your cool car experience.
Bro. Yo, I'm fucking heated, bro. I'm not even gonna lie.
Next thing you know, she's like, I don't feel so good. Yo, yeah, I got a yak.
Bro, I see her whole forehead's wet, bro.
Wait, let me interrupt you. Prior, no funny shit, let me interrupt you. Prior to that, she's in the chair like this, bro. Like this. And then
I wasn't even looking at her.
she was like this. She was like this for like good 10 minutes. I'm like, yo.
Yeah.
I know, she's like.
I'm trying to get the foot off. What happened? You put the wrong socket?
No.
What happened? It's spinning?
This one?
Bro, you should be able to just put the socket on it, bro.
18?
Oh, man. Just put the socket on it and zap it off.
You put a breaker bar on it.
Nah. Use the
That's
gun.
not a nice.
Bro, let me do it.
That shit
I
dancing
got
too
you.
much. That's why I was like, it's not a nice.
What size is that socket?
That's supposed to be 18.
I mean, yo, you know what? You could unhook the cable and hook it up in that car.
Bro, what did I just tell you to do? Why did I just tell you
I don't know what that entails. I never pulled off the e-brake cable. I just
cable's cut in this car.
You have the cable right there, B.
He literally peeled off.
What the cable to the car? What do I do with the cable to the car?
You got the whole cable right over there.
Yo, this is a bum ass car, bro.
Drive-bys out of Teslas.
Dave.
Dave.
Nah, you got the audio. You free.
It was good. It was good. Shit. Who's that?
I was wondering. I want this to sound like.
So you still have the S13, right? So you're taking the SR out and putting the KA?
Yeah. The SR turned into this.
How come you decided to go with automatic?
Because I can't afford a manual with S120. I'm gonna just swap it.
Type shit.
And I don't want the manual trans that comes in anyway. I'm gonna do the CD09.
Look at some 12s, nigga. What?
I focus because
Hit a licking 12s, nigga. We should might get a pair of 12s and start hitting licks and enjoy.
niggas gonna be scared of niggas in Air Force Ones.
Jordan, yo, I'll tell you this. Jordan was wearing low top sneakers, three ankle braces on, bro.
That like he can use fish
I
eye
think
too.
you got it. You don't have it.
Since they're positioned up and down.
The fish eyes like the
That's
real
fine.
zoomed out with like.
I can take a whole body photo of you from
This
right
is
here.
at one time zoom.
Oh yeah,
This is at 0.5. Look at that.
You got like 0.5.
Look at that.
zoom
See that?
or whatever, right?
Let me try to
Fish,
zoom.
fish eye, bro.
I only
Look
got
at-
one
let me see.
zoom.
Yo,
Two zoom.
Oh yeah.
I only got two
look at that.
zoom.
Look at that fish eye, bro.
I only got two zoom.
Yeah, you don't have the.
That's for the.
You know what I mean?
That should zoom in though. Like,
My shit
look,
only
look,
do
look.
that for the portrait,
That should zoom in though.
bro. See, like yo, from right here, fish eye.
You got fish eye?
Yeah.
Nah, I need to take a picture like that.
Look, yeah, like yo, that's from right here. Yo, my bad. That shit's right on your noggin. Yo, my bad. It caught all three of the cameras right in between your forehead. And he just, nah. This shit looks better. I'm not. Let me see your.
And your shit looks nice.
Yo, let me see your. Let me see your lens. This shit's